Hello guys, again. Today I will show you how you can test yes, the spark coils to BMW 316i valvetronic. Okay, let's just start it. You have to start the motor first time. Because one of my spark coils are damaged, so same with the tester. And now let's see if it just say right. So you can see that the motor don't work very well very well. So we will start to unplug for each one spark coil the connector, and if the motor don't change, then that one is the faulty. So let's get started. So for the first cylinder, so this is working, you can hear. So for the second now, yes, this is working too. Okay, for the here, yes, this is working too. Okay, and now the tester has told me that the fourth cylinder, the spark plug. So like how you can see, the spark coil does not function on the fourth cylinder. So look, so no change. If I remove from the third, you can see. So that was. I will try to verify, and with ohm meter I will show you in the next video. So like you can see, this working, good, this working too, and the fourth, no change. So just so for the fourth cylinder, no change. Oh, thank you to show you. I hope you can just learn something. You have first time to remove all the plastics. I think you know to make this. So until next time, bye.